Hi guys, welcome to yet another airdrop earning opportunity. And today the project that we're going to discuss about is Aztec. Aztec has raised close to 119 million and the status for the airdrop is potential. And many big projects like Aztec guys do not disclose that they would be giving an airdrop or not, but eventually they do give if you have participated and worked on their ecosystem. Okay, so do not miss this airdrop earning opportunity. And you can see the funders and backers for this project. You can see Coinbase Ventures backing this project. You can also see Paradigm, Consensus, Hashkey Capital, so big names there, right? And you can see how many people are following this, and they are trying to farm this airdrop. Okay. Now, you would need some testnet faucet in order to farm this airdrop. So before we dive into this airdrop, guys, I would like to let you know that I run an Airdrop Venture community where we discuss about different airdrops and different earning opportunities. We also let you know when the claim of airdrop happens, like as you can see here, there was an airdrop for space and time. We gave the link to claim, check eligibility, and so on. Okay, so if you have any doubts, we also clear that in this community. And I will add the link to join this community in this video's description. Okay, so please join the community and also subscribe to my Airdrop Venture channel on YouTube so that whenever I upload a video, you get the time-sensitive information at the earliest. Okay. Um, right. So let's dive into Aztec. So first, we would need to get the Sepolia faucet, which is free. You do not need any funds to farm this airdrop. Um, and always use a testnet wallet, right? I've created this MetaMask wallet just to do testnets. So never connect a loaded wallet to airdrop protocols or any testnets. Okay, do not connect your main loaded wallet. Okay, uh, always use a wallet without funds. And it is very important, guys, that you read the disclaimer below this video to farm airdrops. Okay, so yeah, I've entered my wallet address. I just need to hit receive 0.05 Sepolia, and it says your testnet tokens are on the way, which is good. Now, transaction hash. Okay, it looks like it's sent. It has sent. Okay, so here I'm on Ethereum mainnet currently, right? I would have to toggle this bar which says show test network. And then I would have to go to Sepolia, and I can see I have got 0.05 Sepolia, which was dripped by this faucet. Okay, right. Now you need to go to Aztec Playground. This is the website. So if you join Airdrop Venture, you would find all that information here. Okay, all the links. So do join the community. Okay, so first you need to click on select account and create an Aztec account. You can give any alias. So let's say AJ Crypto 345, something like that. Create and deploy. So you can give any name. I've just given my name. My pseudonym, you can say. That's even not my pseudonym because the the name that I use is AJ Crypto 456, and you can find me by that name on Twitter. So if you would like to follow me, you can, or you can even follow the Airdrop Venture Crypto Airdrop Venture 4 handle on X. Okay, it's currently it takes time. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes for the contract to be deployed and your account to be created. So let's give it some time. Okay, so as you can see, my account has been created. You can click on join Discord, guys, and join Aztec Discord channel because you do not get an option to join the Discord anywhere else. All the invite says invalid, so you can click on join Discord and join the Discord for Aztec Network. Okay, it'll take some time for it to load, so just going to minimize this. You click on accept invite. It's just running a bit slow. I don't know if it's my machine or if it's just Discord that is running slow. Okay, so I have read and agreed the terms. Right, rules, you can just click on. Okay, it looks like I've got to wait for 10 minutes. I'm not going to do that, but this is how you click on Discord, and under community, you would see uninitiated, start here. You would need to react to this and you would get an uninitiated role. Okay, and that's how you would join Aztec. I've done this before, but this is my other account which I haven't used. So after 9 minutes, I would be allowed to do this. Okay, but you guys would be able to do this on your own. There's nothing much to discuss there. Okay, so my account has been created. You can also create an account from here. If you do it from here, don't do it from here. Otherwise, it just create one more transaction. Um, Now, you can do private voting, check it out, and then you can see your, don't make any changes, okay, here. Just click on create and deploy because this would take your account automatically, okay. Just hit on create and deploy. And towards the right-hand side, you would see deploying, okay. Now, these transactions take some time. Usually it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll pause the video here and get back once this is done. Okay, so as you guys can see that it's completed, okay. And here you'd be able to see your contract, right? And this is your account that you have created. So that's all you got to do in Aztec Playground. There is nothing much. So you can see your past transactions towards your right-hand side. If you have an account on Aztec, your friend's account, you can add their contact address, give some alias, and add it. Okay, but I don't have any friends account to add, so I'm just not going to do anything on that. Yeah, but if you know someone, you can definitely go ahead and add. Okay. Um, yeah, let's see how. Okay, we're still waiting on Discord. Okay, we'll get there. Okay, so let's discuss about the Aztec ecosystem. So if you click on all, you would be able to see all the dApps that are there in the ecosystem. Okay. Now, many of the dApps, okay, so the dApps which says live, you would be able to visit them. Okay. Many of them are in building phase, which you would not be able to access. Okay. So let's start with wallets because you would need a wallet. Okay. There are two wallets, Asgard and Obsidian. We would create both. All you got to do is just click on visit, click on download, and add to Chrome, and it would add an extension to Chrome. You can see it's trying to download here at the right hand side. Just less than a minute, and it should be done. Okay, it's downloaded, has been added. Okay, so I'm going to pin that, click on that, you choose, you say create profile, and just give a strong password. You don't need to make a note of any passphrase because this is in a beta phase, alpha testing phase, sorry, and that's my account address. Okay, that's all you got to do. So this is done. Discord, we're still waiting. Let's create the Obsidian wallet account as well. Say get started. Okay, looks like Obsidian wallet is still trying to load. Oh, there we are. It has loaded. Um, so you towards the right hand side, you would see testnet. Okay. And it's turned green. So now we create an account. AJ Crypto 34456, sorry. 364. Yeah, okay. Email registry not initiated. Create account with passkey. Create. Confirm. So you just got to give a recovery pin. Okay, failed to create an account, no contract instance found for address. So yeah, this is in the development phase, guys. Okay, so you would get errors, but what I can do, since it has created it in the background, I'm going to import existing account and say import account. Then it'll show me, okay, which Obsidian wallet. Just choose any one of them, give a pin, and it has created account imported. Okay, that's my account address. Now, if you want to get your account address, you can click on that and you can copy it from here. Okay, that's another way. Right, so that's all done. Obsidian wallet is also created. Um, so we've done Asgard, we've done Obsidian, now bridges. Uh, I tried this earlier, but the bridge was down and there is only one bridge, okay, which is human tech. Rest all the other bridges are in building phase. So if it works now, then it's good. If it doesn't, then I might not be able to show you, but I would at least show you how you can bridge, okay? So you need to go to visit and in in this tab, let's close Obsidian Wallet. Okay, my Discord, as you can see here, I have got the uninitiated role, okay? Say verify. Okay, verify the uninitiated role. Okay, that's all. Yeah, so the bridge. So this is the bridge that we were discussing about. Sorry, I had to go back to Discord and just activate my account. So connect wallet, use MetaMask. So it takes, now it says connect Aztec wallet. Okay, so we can connect Asgard and we can also connect Obsidian. Let's just connect Obsidian. Okay. I can't get tokens here. It's grayed out. Failed to load balance. Okay. So it looks like the bridge is temporary unavailable. Yeah, it's the same thing. But when the bridge gets activated, guys, all you got to do is click on get tokens and you would get some USDC. And then you would just need to enter the amount here, like let's say 10 or whatever. And then you would be able to bridge. You would get an option to bridge, click on bridge, and you'd be able to bridge from ETH Sepolia to Aztec testnet. Okay, it's just currently down because this testnet is you're very early. As you can see on Aztec ecosystem, there are many dApps that are currently in building phase still. Okay, so you're very early into this. That's why you would have some difficulties in terms of bridging and all of that, but it should be active soon. Probably try in a day's time if it's not working, and you should be able to bridge. Okay, so try 2-3 transactions like every couple of days just to build up the transaction count so that you can get the airdrop when that happens, right? So you can see when bridges, these are the bridges. Wallets, I've already discussed about Asgard and Obsidian, and I've created both the wallets. Um, let's see what else we have under applications. So Namey, you can click on get early access because as I said, I mean, there is nothing much to do there. You would have to fill a form. You would have to enter your Discord username, your email, your Twitter username. It says follow Namey on Twitter. So you can follow Namey on Twitter. Okay. And then give your Ethereum address. Okay. So it would be this address that you would have to add here. Okay. Then I want to test alpha, click on accept, and then submit the captcha. I'm not going to do that because I have done this on my other account, but this is just for you guys. You can get the early access. Okay. It's not currently active. There is nothing much that you can do here. You can just ask for early access and wait for a mail to be sent by them, and then probably you'd be able to use it. Okay. Raven House is the same. It's an NFT marketplace. You'd have to click on visit, launch app, and then you would have to create a collection. And first you would need to connect your wallet. First you would need to connect your wallet. You can connect your Obsidian wallet. Okay, once you've done that, you have to enter some basic details like AJ Crypto 364, AJ Crypto 364, and what kind of collection. You can say Simpson test, something like that, and just say request early access. Again, you're requesting early access here. Okay, so Namey and Raven House, you can request early access. And once you get access, you would be able to create your own NFT. So you would have to add a picture, you would have to specify the amount of NFTs that you're going to mint or allow people to mint, and then you would see your collections like this. So when you go to mint NFT, so yeah, it's sorry, it would show you something like this. That is for people who have got access. So once you have your collection would appear here. Once they allow you, your collection would appear here. Then you can give some name to the NFT, description, upload an image, and then click on Mint NFT. Okay. So once you do that, your NFT would be in top collections, and you you would be able to mint. Okay, but currently we do not have any funds because the bridge is down and it would not allow us to mint. So yeah, it will not allow us to mint. Okay, so you can try various dApps on this ecosystem, guys, Aztec. But currently many are in building phase. Shade X was a popular um, protocol in Cosmos on the secret network. Probably they're building on Aztec as well. So yeah, we are very early. Okay. Block explorers, all block explorers are active. Okay, but you would not be able to see much information here because we haven't made any transactions. Just the initial transactions on the Aztec, creating account and deploying a contract. That's all we've done. Okay, but there is nothing much to discuss here. Tooling, Aztec Remix plugin. Okay, so this is again, um, this is how you can deploy a contract. Okay, you would need funds in Aztec, so you need the bridge to work for this, for me to show you this. But it's very simple, guys. Once you go to Remix, you can just add a token. You can create a token, and then you can deploy it to the Aztec contract. Okay. Um, so you would have to connect to the plugin and then deploy the contract on the Aztec network. It is very easy. And I'm going to discuss all of this once we get the bridge working. Okay, so you would have a second part of Aztec coming up soon when there are more dApps to explore, and I would add it to this to my Airdrop Venture channel. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified. And yeah, that's it from Aztec for today. If you have any doubts, need any clarification, write them down in comments section. Okay, and do join the Airdrop Venture community. Right. Bye for now, and keep on farming Airdrop, my friends. Cheers.